Starter Kit Power BI is a book of reports realized in Microsoft Power BI technology. It's aimed at the financial and administrative departments and management controllers of each company. The data model from which the starter kit are connected is configured to be easily connected to any Microsoft Dynamics NAV or Microsoft Business Central instance, but can also be readjusted for any information system. The size of this page is optimized for the embedding in NAVISION. The parametric connection allows you to run and configure the SK in just a few hours. When executing the report, it is required to enter the parameters for the connection to the specific NAV instance. Power BI Starter Kit enables analysis of the main income statement and balance sheet items, supports multi-company analysis, and can be further customized to meet the specific needs of your business. The report book is designed to allow analysis on general accounting, analysis of costs and revenues according to the analysis dimension owned by the reference business, reclassification of financial statements and income statement, management control, budget, final comparison, history of data and NAV. Items of the report are the main items of the balance sheet and the income statement, such as revenues, costs, MOL, RO, RAI, RN, for which a comparative analysis is possible with the respective budget values and the previous periods, such as the previous year. The various pages of the report allow a detailed analysis in the financial field. On the revenue analysis page, for example, you can analyze all revenue items across the business size using the cross-filter feature or by using the filter visual. The same type of analysis is available both as a page dedicated to costs and another one dedicated to all remaining quantities monitored by reports. Obviously, the analysis possibilities are many, and the report can be customized to meet specific needs. Within this page, you can consult the balance sheet and income statement reclassification. It's possible to filter one of them or others by using a filter, and it's possible to filter the metrics by the main dimension of your business. The same type of analysis can be realized on the entire charts of accounts in a further dedicated report page. You can navigate the various levels of the chart of account through drill down or drill up and filter the metrics for the size of your business, such as a geographic area or departments. Further relevant features are user profiling, scalability of the data model, simple and fast setup thanks to the parametric connections.